New at 4, Governor DeSantis just wrapped up a brief visit to the city of Apopka to talk about gold and silver.
The governor signed a bill recognizing gold and silver as legal tender in the state of Florida. But as he left the event, there was a protest against one of his top priorities. West 2's Justin Shecker was there.
Republican State Representative Doug Bankson from Apopka sponsored the legislation to recognize gold and silver as legal tender in this state, which is why the governor came here for a ceremonial bill signing.
We are the first large state to step up and to get this done, and this is right out of the Constitution of the United States. So this legislation will authorize money services business like check cashers or PayPal to transmit and accept payment in gold and silver.
State Rep Bankson says this new law means precious metals can start functioning like real currency, and they can be accessed by electronic transaction or a debit card. He also points out the value of the dollar has decreased since President Nixon removed it from the gold standard in 1971.
So simply put, it brings opportunity without obligation, fiscal stability and security, relief to the taxpayer. Can I get an amen? Amen. And will once again help Florida lead the way, becoming the gold standard for economic freedom and opportunity.
As Governor Ron DeSantis and his supporters left the Highland Manor, a small group gathered to protest deportations and the separation of families.
And we just want them to recognize that they're benefiting from our labor, right? Everything, whether it's the food, whether it's hospitals being built, the houses, we benefit the economy, but we're also human beings. So we want to make sure he understood that. And
the governor did not address immigration enforcement this afternoon, but he was asked about the Orlando Dreamers trying to bring an MLB team to Central Florida. What he had to say about Orlando's baseball dream and the future of the Tampa Bay Rays coming up at 5:30. Covering Orange County in Apopka, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.